Hi, want to know how to charge your HUAWEI Watch Fit free? So the first thing is that we will need to take a cable which comes with this device. Here is how it looks, and if we will take a look, you can see that this cable got two sides. This side is USB Type A, and we would need to plug it into any power adapter, USB hub, working PC or laptop, power bank, or just anything that has source of power and also supports USB Type A. So let's plug it in and let's talk about the second side that we got here. So the second side that you can see on this cable is just the side that you need to attach to the back of your watch. There is no specific name for this one, just let me show you how to attach it to your watch. So if we will take a look on the back side of our watch, here you can see these two contacts where are you supposed to attach the charger. So let's try it. I'll just put it like this, and as you can see, it's not attaching because of the magnets. So the way to solve this problem is to just try it from the second side. And now we have successfully attached the charger, and you can also see this animation, which means that our watch has successfully started charging. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.